It started when I was a little boy. I've never truly been able to do a pull-up. It's been that thing that's just been nagging me in the back of my mind. It's always there, kind of haunting every step. Something I've always wanted to do, I haven't been able to accomplish it. My wife, she seems to think it's because, I drink a lot of beer. I've rolled over that in my mind. I've tossed that back and forth. And the more that I think about it, the more I come to realize, I don't think it's that I drink too much beer. I think I don't drink enough.